Hey guys, if you want to make stream on different type of social platform like Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, anything, so this video is for you. This is actually Restream, which will allow you to make or produce or actually organize a stream in that social media with proficient and with a vast of feature that can help you to create or manage a live stream perfectly one-handedly with a screen only. So you can just go to the restream.io and you can just sign up for free, or you can continue with your Google account. So I'm going to continue with my Google account right now. So you can select your Google account, and here I'm going to sign in, and here it is signing me in. So Restream is actually a powerful APK, so app that will help you to create or manage your audiences and your live stream quality. So here you can find some subscriptions here, like for creators and for companies, so you can get them. You can get the monthly also. So I'm going to get going with the free version right now. So here it is, we are in. So here you can see that you can stream via RTMP like OBS Recorder or vMix or Zoom with Restream. So Restream will help you to integrate with your OBS Studio, vMix or the Zoom if you have so. Then also you can go live from your browser with Restream. You can use this browser to go live with Restream from here. Now let me explain the tools from here. Like this is actually home. This is a home dashboard. Now the past stream, where you can find all of your past stream that actually listed and recorded in this session. So you can get that streams from here. Now the video storage, so you can upload only 3 storage right now. So you can upload a video. So in free version you can upload only 3 videos on here. So you can access your video via your Google Drive or Dropbox, or you can upload videos direct from your file manager. Now here is channels, so you can connect your channels, like you can add your Facebook page here, you can connect it, you can connect your YouTube channel, you can connect your Twitch channel, or you can add your Twitter or X channel from here, or you can simply click on add, and here you can find different types of platform where you can make a live stream. Here is TikTok live and Rumble, and also Telegram and Swoop and Stream like Bilibili, and different types of platform that you can use from that you can integrate from this channel, this not channel actually, from this app Restream. So here is analytics that will show you the analytics about your responses for on your stream, about audience, how much stream you successfully done with Restream, the average duration and stream time from here, and also the max viewers from here. And you can get that from last session or for all session here. Then here is some stream metrics, that stream average duration and stream light time, and actually the chats where all the messages will be imported in this section, so you can get them, and the chatters, so the person that where you can find all the person that actually leave a message on your chat section, so you can get them. Now here is analytics about audiences, that average viewers, max viewers, and the watched minutes of your stream from here. So it's pretty much cool. So I love these analytic tools from Restream, that you can analyze your performance and you can see your progress from here. So from here you can go live from your browser or with Stream Studio by simply click on add channels. So I'm going to use that. Now you can add your channels from here. So I'm going to add a channel like connect with my channel. So simply click on channel, and from here you can find a section here, so you can add your channel. Like I'm going to add my channel here. So here it is signing me in. So continue. Now continue again. So, okay, I have just forget that I have to give the some permissions here, so I have just skipped that option here. So manage troops. Yes, it has some, already have some accesses here. So actually I don't have any channel actually with that Gmail, so it has all that actually it get that permission automatically, so it can add it, so it requires you to enable a live stream on your channel before you can stream. So I don't have actually channel on that Gmail, and it actually need the qualification to create the live. So you all know that you have some specific criteria. You have to complete some criteria to get the live stream for the access to live stream on YouTube. So let me show you. From here you can find that what should we need. So here you can see at least 50 subscriber, so low live streaming restriction within the last 90 days on your channel, and you have to verify your channel, and to turn on live stream you may need to wait 24 hours before you can start your first live stream, and that's how you can start your live stream. So I don't actually have all those criteria, so you can just connect them and you can start that video, that live stream. So it can record your stream, and you can find some controllers like pause, and you can get some window where you can find all the messages, all the comments that public are leaving on your chat section, and you can respond them, you can reply them, you can interact with that person, and also you can make something like blur. You can make your webcam blur, you can stop or pause your, actually you can add a pause window, and you can pause your live stream, you can end your live stream, and you can add some live stream window that actually at the left side in some creator actually use that with their logo and some branding here and their actually channels, but promoting their channels. So that's how you can easily actually control your live stream by Restream, and Restream is a powerful platform where you can organize and where you can produce a live stream on different types of platforms. So it's pretty cool. Here is another way, another option that is actually streamed via RTMP. So you can simply click on this and you can go with your RTMP. So you have to add some stream key. Here it is. So here you have to copy and paste the link into your streaming software. So you have to add that into your live stream software. So you have to copy that URL and you have to paste it. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. You can open your OBS recorder. I'm currently recording on OBS recorder. So if we are going to start stream, so we have to go to the settings. So it will ask for the configuration. Here it is. So here in server we have to paste that URL. Sorry for not that actually. So let me show you. Okay. No. I'm going to get that live stream. Here is the URL. So we are going to start stream, open settings, and it will open the settings. Now you have to go to system and server. You have to paste that URL and the stream key. Now you can delete this and you can save the changes here, and I'm going to copy that stream key here. Now from here we can start again. Sorry, not that. So we are going to go to the settings, and from here we can go to Steam and we can use the Steam key, and we can just apply it by simply click on apply, and okay, so we can start the Steam by simply tap on that. Here you can see here it has just connected with our OBS recorder. So you can see that yes, just like this, it is just added here. So it has just recording. So like this, it is something not time sensible. So you can find that recording here. So just like this, you can control them and you can find the health of your stream. So you can change the watermark. So for that you have to upgrade to the premium plan, and here is the premium plan. So you can buy that subscription from here, or you can stop stream by your this OBS recorder by simply tap on stop streaming. So here you can see it has stopped the streaming. Now you can add channels, or you can update the titles here. You can set the title for your stream panel, or you can add some description. So that's pretty much cool. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, and happy streaming. Thanks for watching. Till next time.